We're playing Gorilla Tag Knockoff.
I think I'm stuck.
This one actually has.
Yeah, no, help me. No, I'm just kidding.
Hey yo, if anyone else wants to do the next bots, I'm cool right now, so yeah, you guys can come. 3, 2, 1.
See you, Linus.
Oh, what up, bro? What up? Oh, you ain't gonna do anything. Oh my god! Oh, my controller literally just went like 5 miles away from my body.
Are you still on part 4?
Oh, jeez.
No, everyone's in Nico's next box. Yo, Monkey, you think I'm gonna juke him? Let's go. Yo, what up? It worked for a second.
Oh, God.
Yo, guys, if this video gets maybe like 10 likes, yeah, maybe 10, 20, I'll do the horror movie.
This is your former President Barack Obama, and I just want to tell you I'm not a big box with a little bit
Are they still coming? I hate that one so much. I'm actually kind of scared of that one.
Where are you guys?
We're all in Nico's next bot. Yeah, Ray Monkey. No one asked question. What's this? Oh.
Does anybody know who this is?
Wow! What's that? Ice? Oh yeah, I already got my stuff in there. Yeah. I think there might be something behind the waterfall.
There's something behind the waterfall.
I don't know. I'm just looking. Oh wait, there's something behind the river. It's a map. Guys, they got a beach map. Maybe the beach map has the thing.
Beach map?
I got Froggo.
Yo guys, where's the oxygen tank?
Oh my god.
What?
Yeah, I seen someone with an oxygen tank.
Beach map.
Don't distract me. I mean, trees cause practice.
Okay, so everyone, I got. Oh wait, I didn't get the one in the Gorilla Tag Rip-Off Forest mode. Guys, I think there's one in the Gorilla Tag Rip-Off Forest mode. What's this?
The treehouse. The treehouse. The treehouse.
Hey, yo, what is this? Yo, guys, come down here. Come down here, guys. Guys, come over here.
What?
What the frick did I?
Time to go mining with a knife.
Can someone help me get help?
Whoa! Wait, there's gotta be something in here, bro. There's gotta be. Or I'm gonna pick it.
Someone help me get.
I put down.
Dang. I said that I can't mine it.
The vending machine doesn't work. The vending machine doesn't work.
Oh,
Anybody here?
I can.
What?
We can hear you. Wait, what's this?
Can somebody get help?
This
me?
was I just want you to hear Dee Dee.
No! Get me out of here! No, I am not doing that. What the? I am not doing that, guys. If this video gets to 30 likes, I'll do the back rooms. If it gets to 10, then I'll do.